Hi, I'm Tom Crawford. I'm the Vice President and General Manager at McWane Ductile here in Coshocton, Ohio. Our co-op program is part of our long-term strategy to build talent within the organization. We hire young individuals to come in and do real and meaningful projects. Many of our students come back every year gaining more experience with the intention of becoming a full-time employee. If you're a college student looking to gain real-world experience, we're the place for you.
Hello, my name is Kimberly Eichley. I'm from Zanesville, Ohio. I'm an upcoming senior at Bowling Green State University, and I'm majoring in visual communications technology and minoring in marketing. Here at McWane Ductile, I'm the marketing and sales operations intern. I found this internship opportunity through Handshake, which is similar to LinkedIn. And I luckily submitted my resume and scored an interview, which I was very thankful for. And here I am.
We are looking for students that are results-driven, students that want to gain that hands-on experience, the knowledge, experience the manufacturing facility, the foundry environment, be part of problem solving and exposing themselves to all levels of the organization. A student that would be excited to have an experience at McWane Ductile, Ohio.
This is my first ever internship, so I was very nervous to see how it would go. But once I started to get here and started to know the people and get more comfortable, I realized how well I would fit in. I do a lot of photography and videography, website design. What really made me interested in working here was that I could do all those things in just this internship.
The program allows McWane Ductile to recruit and train talented individuals. Students come in and they are assigned a project, they learn skills, they learn leadership abilities, and they are allowed to grow within the company. Long-term goal is potentially obtaining a full-time salary position within the facility.
My day-to-day here at McWane Ductile just varies every day. It just depending on what my supervisor, Andrea Kubik, who's the marketing manager here, has me do. This can range from revising technical documents, proofreading, Iron Strong Insights, or blogs. The main project that I've been working on is the new training brochure that we have on our website. That was one of the first assignments she gave me that I was on my own and working on my own with. You have to stick to a certain brand image for a well-established company like McWane Ductile. Marketing and branding here at McWane Ductile is very different compared to any other brand. We sell pipe, we make pipe, so how do you make that interesting and catch people's eye? One of the other things I've learned here is how to optimize our social media posts and our website posts, because we track when people visit our website, how long they visit our website, and what the optimal times and the best days are to post on social media or post a blog, because we know it'll do better on certain days than other days. I'm not your typical intern here at a piping manufacturing company. So we are going to be talking to a couple of different interns. Abby Matthews is the environmental engineer intern here.
I'm from Columbus, Ohio, or a little town called Lithopolis. I go to Ohio Northern University and I am studying mechanical engineering with a background in advanced energy in hopes to build a cleaner and better environment. Every day at McWane Ductile, I do daily inspections around the plant, such as inspecting the lime silo for emissions, also checking the cupola and that kind of things, roadway inspections to make sure there's no dust coming off of them, and various other inspections like that.
What would you say you've learned from your internship here?
I learned how a company such as McWane works from day to day, as well as the environmental impacts of just manufacturing in general. Being a mechanical engineer who wants to focus on cleaner environment and advanced energy, it's been interesting to see those different emissions and those kind of things that we have to watch for and look at every single day.
Would you recommend your internship position to anyone who's interested?
Working with McWane and their summer internship has been beneficial, very much so. I have got to make connections and learn how it works working under a supervisor and communicating with other people in different branches of the facility. Every time I have a question about something, they're more than willing to show me, and the company really takes care of their interns, so I really have enjoyed it.
The other intern I interviewed was Andrew Detra, and here at McWayne Ductil, he's the electrical engineer intern.
Right now I'm working on, there's a cart out on the finishing line that brings things back and forth, and basically it's old, it needs to be updated, so we're working on drawings and things to update it. Probably the biggest thing I've learned is using AutoCAD Electrical, because I had some AutoCAD experience before I came, but AutoCAD Electrical has a lot of different parts to it that's taken some time to learn. Everyone has been super helpful with any questions that I have. My boss, I know, will sit down and explain things for a half an hour, 45 minutes sometimes, just to make sure that I do understand. And I think that's something that you don't get a lot of places. If you go and graduate with, an associate's or a bachelor's in something, a lot of people don't want you because you don't know what you're doing. All you have is theory. And this place gives you kind of a segue into the real world. I'll probably stay on for probably as long as I can while I'm in school. Like I said, it's great experience, and once I do graduate with a bachelor's, I'll have, almost 3 years of intern experience, which I think a lot of employers would like.
The question now comes back to me. Would I recommend this internship to anyone else? The answer is yes, 100% yes. I've learned a lot in the little time I've been here, and I've improved so much. That's really what I was looking for, which has been one of the best decisions I have made so far. This company really includes all their interns, and everyone's super nice here. So
We partner and source with universities, colleges, and technical schools across the state of Ohio, as well as outside of the state. Students can apply online at LinkedIn, Handshake, CareerBuilder, Glassdoor, as well as the McWayne.com website. Come be part of the process here at McWayne Ductil and be part of a product that touches thousands and thousands of lives each and every day.
to find any other internship opportunities here at McWayne Ductil, you can click on the Careers tab on our website.